Hi, morning again. My name is Katie. I will be the one who will be with you to show you how can you use Google Site. So for today, we're going to learn about the introduction part. So I'm going to introduce to you the features of Google Site. Okay. So this is the amongst the thing we're going to learn. Okay, we're going to learn a lot of things, but this is amongst the things. So we have plenty of features in Google Site. By the end, I will introduce to you all features in Google Site and also how to create a page, what is page, what is sub page, and also you can embed your calendar, your Google Calendar into your Google Site. As well, you can add collaborators, which is a person to edit your site as well beside you. You can add collaborators. And also I'm going to show you how to publish your site. Okay, until you publish your site means this Google site will only be draft. Okay, no one else can access to the site you're working on unless you publish it. Alright, so the very first thing you are going to do, of course, you need to sign in into your Google account. Okay, Google site only available for computer. You will not be able to do it in your phone. Okay, so you need to open up Google Drive. So in your drive, click on new button. Okay, inside your drive, click on new button and bring your cursor to more until this additional box come out and click Google Site. Okay, inside your drive, click new and then bring your cursor to more, choose Google Site. Once you choose Google Site, a new tab will open. So the new tab is will show you this page, which is empty Google Site. Okay, now we're going to create our Google Site. Okay, Google Site can be used for you to archive your. You can also work it as a diary. Okay, you can archive a lot of things in Google Site. Like I said, unless you publish your site, it will not available for public. It's only for you and also collaborators. Okay. It also works as a bulletin or newsletter. Okay, if you are a teacher, or if you are work in your organization, so this site can work as a bulletin, can work as a newsletter as well. Now I'm going to introduce to you the features in Google Site. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do every time you create any document at all, you want to give it a name. So what is the difference between site name and page title? Site name is the headline of your site and can be seen in the browser tab. Let me show you example. Okay, this site name will come out here. Did you see the title up here? Introduction to Google Site. So that's the site name will appear right here. Okay, in the tab. That's for the site name. For the page title, okay, for the page title, you can have different title because you can create a sub page, you can create additional page. So each page will have different name, such as a home page, about us page. Maybe you can put history page. So you can have a lot of page. Okay, so page title and site name is totally different thing. Again, site names is the one you can see up here. Okay, that will be the site name. So now if you there's two type of header. Okay, for header there's two type of header, which is here, right here, for the header you can change the type or you can change the image. Okay, so by default it will come out like this. Okay, it will come out like this. For the header, there's a few type of header. So if you want to change, okay, I will also show you the difference between the header. So if you want to change the header, just click on the header type. Okay, click on the header type. Once you click on it, as you can see, there's a few header type, which is large banner, banner, and title only. This will play a lot of big roles for a user that going to browse your site using their phone. Okay, I will show you the difference. So if you go with cover, okay, if you go with cover, so when people go into your site, so they will see the image. If you go with large banner, half of the screen will show the banner. If you go with banner, so it will be a quarter of the screen will show your banner. If you go with title only, so you will not have a background image. Okay, don't worry, I'm going to show you this side. Okay, so that's for the header type. So you can, if you wish not to use this image, you can just change the image as well. So now let me just show you the header. Okay, I'm going to show you the difference between the header now. Alright, so, sorry, this one is already full. Let's just start with the empty one. Okay, so as you can see, I don't have a title for my site yet. Okay, so again, the title here will appear right here. Show you this one. Okay, the title for my site will appear right here. As you can see here in the web browser, this is what come out, the title of your page. So it doesn't matter even if you're in page 2, the title here will still be your site title. It will not copy your page title. So up here will show the site title. Okay, so now for the header, like I said, if you go to header, there's 4 types, which is cover, large banner, and banner. Let's go one by one. So let me just go here. I will just write here home. Okay, so this page is my home page. So let's go to header. So I'm going to go with cover. Okay, cover. So now I'm going to, okay, so this is, so as you can see, when someone go in, okay, let me just preview. Okay, this is what people's going to see if they go into your link. Okay, if you go with cover, like I said, it going to, for your entire screen, it will appear like this. Okay, it will appear like this. The full screen will show you the image and then the title. This is for PC. If someone is using tablet, so it's actually the same thing. The tablet will be full with the image. If for someone browsing using their phone, so this is the size of the phone. They will see the entire screen. We show the cover. Okay, that's for cover. If you go with large banner, okay, large banner. Now let's preview. Okay, this is the preview button. Click on preview. So this is large. So it will be it will be half of your screen. Okay, it will take up of your screen. So like this is the image. Okay, title. Tablet, the same thing, and also for web browser, it will use like this. So okay, 3/4 of your screen will show the image, the banner for your screen. And let's go with header type again. Now banner, this will show half. Okay, half. Okay, banner will show half. And then if you go with title only, there will be no image at all. Title only, just go here. So there will be no image at all for the banner. It will just font. Okay, that's for banner. There's a few type of banner, and you can always change the screen if you wish to. Sorry, change the background screen. Okay, now for the content, okay, for the content. So if you create a new site for the content, as you can see on the right side, insert, there will be text box, images, embed, and drive. Okay, you can add the content. So to add the content, just click. Okay, just click to add the content. So now if you, for example here, by clicking, if once I click the text box, it will come out, there's a new text box will appear on my page, okay? So you can start typing and adding the text into your web page. Okay, so you can also play around with the font, and then if you want to justify it to be the center, so you can do that as well. Okay. So now if you go to insert image, okay, now say I wish to insert image into my page. Okay, you will have option either to upload the image from your PC, or you can select the image. Okay, so let's say here I click on I click on select image. So now you can search, you can select the image from your drive, from your Google photo, or you can search using Google image search. Okay, or if you have the URL for the photo, so you just paste the URL here and click on insert image. So if you wish to have image in your site. So now embed, okay, if you have a embed code URL that you want to key in into your Google site, you can just click on embed, and then this box will come out. Okay, so you just copy paste your embed code, or if you have URL, so you can as well just key in the URL and then just click on insert. So you can also insert document straight from your drive. Okay, just click on drive, and then you just search for that particular folder, or you can share your single document. Okay, you can even share a folder or also a single document. It doesn't have to be Google Doc, Google site. You can also share a PDF file. There's no issue at all, as long as the location of that particular document is in your Google Drive. Okay, now I will just demo all that. Okay, so here I am inside my Google site. So here, if I go to text box, just click, and then this box will come up. So you can put text. Okay, you can make it bold. Sorry, just highlight. You can make it bold. You can make it italic, but there's no underline. So this is limited. So whatever you see here, that's the only formatting allowed. Okay. So you can make it centered, you can justify it, okay? You can put numbered list, you can put bullet list, or you can create a link. For the sizing, you cannot change the sizing into your desired size. However, if you wish to play around with the sizing, you might want to just go to title, so make it bigger, heading, okay, subheading, also just normal text. There's no option for you to modify the text, make it 26, for example. Nope. But if you wish to modify the font, you might want to go to this area. Okay, that's for font. Now let's say I want to insert image. Let's go to image, and let's say I'm going to select. Okay, like I said, if you already have the URL, you might want to just paste it here. If you already have image from your Google photo, just click on photos. If you have your image from your Google Drive, just click on Google Drive. And you also can just Google image. You can also use the features of Google image search. Okay, let's say I'm going to search for rainbow. So all the image will appear. Just click on the desired photos. For example, I'm clicking on this one. Just click on the photo, click on insert. So now it will be here on my page. You can also resize the photo. Okay, you can resize the photo. So just bring your cursor into any of the dot right here. If you want to resize your photo, just bring your cursor to the any point of the photo. Okay, any point at all. Let's say I'm going to drag here. So I'm bringing my cursor right here. So I want it to make it bigger a bit. Alright. Okay. So now I have bigger photo. You can also crop and uncrop your photo. So you can crop and uncrop your photo. You can delete the photo right here. Okay, if you wish to make it center, okay, you will see there's a ruler. Okay, did you notice there's a ruler? Not ruler, you will see like there's a line. Okay, there's a line to guide you. For example, right here, if click on your image, don't let go, and then just drag your image a bit. If you start dragging, you will see you will see there's like a line, like an indicator to tell you, are you image currently in center? Are you image on the left, on the right? So if you wish to bring it, if you want it to be in center, you just again click on the image, don't let go, and drag it. So later on, you will see the indicator right here. Okay. After that, if you're happy with the position, you just let go of the cursor and the image will be on that position. Okay. That's for image. So you also have embed. Okay, let's say I'm going to embed a video from YouTube. Okay, let's see. I'm just going to take my video. Okay, let's say I wish to put this video inside of my Google site just now. So I just copy this link. Okay. And then I just key in here. So I just click on insert. So now again, the video will be inside of my Google site. So it can be anything at all for the embed, as long either it can be URL or also embed code. Okay, there's two options. Now for Drive, if you click on Drive, okay, I'm clicking on Drive. Let's say I'm just going to go with Google webinar introduction to. Okay, let's say I'm going to pick up this file. Oh, let me just unclick on that. Let's say I'm going to pick up this folder. Okay, so just click on the folder and click on insert. Okay, that will share the entire folder. It will show me all the files inside the folder. Now, that's for folder, okay? If I want to, I also can put in a single document. So let's say I'm just going to go to recent. Okay, let me just pick up that particular file, insert. Okay, so you can also put anything from document to Google Slide to Google Sheets, anything at all straight from your Google Drive. So the thing with this, okay, let's just update so it's already updated. There will be no save button for this. So every time you create a new every time you edit it, so it will be saved automatically. Okay, there will be no save button, so you don't have to worry if suddenly your internet connection got cut off. It will be saved automatically. So now let's just preview this. Okay, let me just preview everything. Alright, so this is the preview. So I have the title, I have my text box right here, I have my image there, and then I have my YouTube video. So this is the document. So I can just click on it, and then it will open up a new tab for that particular document. And if this one is the embed straight from my Google Drive. Okay, so I can see the slide directly from here. Okay, so if someone wish to share their slide, they might just they can do this. So they just put in their slide right here, so people can just watch their slide. Okay, watch their slide. So that's for slide. But if you are putting in your Google document, let's say, okay, that's for slide. You cannot edit directly, but if you put in a document, so let me just, okay, let's just say I put in this document. Okay, nope. Yeah. Just search for document. Okay, let's just put this one. Okay, if the file that I put in is document, again, you can also resize. Okay, you can resize your document. So preview. Okay, if that person have the editing access to the document, that person can edit straight from the Google site. Okay, if that particular person that currently watching, opening your Google site, okay, with editing access, that particular person can edit the file straight from the site. Okay, that particular person can edit the file straight from the site. So that for these four: text box, images, embed, and drive. Now let's move on to the layout. So if you see there's a layout ready here. If you can see there's a 6 layout ready right there. Okay, layout. So what is layout? Layout is actually a pre-made layout for you. Okay, there's a 6, as you can see here. That's a 6 layout. Okay, there's a 6 layout template. So for the layout template, you can just choose any layout that you want to use. For example, you can see there's a 2 image here, and then a text, a title. If you see there's like a gray bold area, that will be the considered as a title, and then you will see there's a straight line down there. So that is for the normal text. Okay, for this layout, okay, that one is small. Let's just open up the Google site. Okay, I will zoom. Just zoom for you to see it. Okay, so now for this one, it will be an image on the left side and also title. Let's just go one by one. Okay, for this one, this layout, if I click on it, that means there's an image on the left side, title, and also the normal text. It's already made, so you don't have to create it. So it's already there. So if you click on that this second layout, so that will be 2 image, title, and a normal text. So for the last one, let's say it's all image, 1, 2, 3, 4 image, and then title. So that's it. There's 4 image and title. So it's ready. So you just there's a plus button for you to put in your image. So it can be upload from your PC. You can select image. Like I said, you can be URL from your drive, from Google search, from your Google photo. The image can be from your drive. It doesn't have to be image also. You have option to put in a YouTube video, to embed your calendar, and also Google Maps, okay, and also location if you want to. So this is already made layout that you can always use. and you can always modify it, so you don't have to really follow the layout. Okay, you can always modify it. So that's for layout. It's ready made. So if you want to use, for example, this one, I only one image. So this, if you go to this layout, it's ready for you. So you can just insert the image. Okay, that's for layout. Oh, sorry. Let's go back to the presentation. So now if you scroll down a bit, okay, after the layout, you will find this option, which is collapsible text, table of content, image carousel, button, and divider. Collapsible text, table of content, image carousel, button, and divider. So collapsible text. Collapsible text mean you write something right here, and then if that particular person interested to find out more, only that person will click on the drop down button and will able to read all the text. Okay, so it's like hidden message. So you just write here hi, only the person who click on the drop down button will be able to see the text, else they will just see hi. Okay, that's collapsible text. Next up is table of content. So sometimes maybe you have a lot of things in your draft and you want to have a table of content. So when someone just click on that, for example, someone click on to do, so it will bring that particular person to the to do part. Okay, to the to do part. So it also show the person that what actually inside your Google site. Okay, you can also add table of content. To do so, make sure that your text right here is a title. Let me just show you. Okay, table of content. Let's just do it. Okay, let me just reset. Okay, now since I have a lot of things here, so this is a normal text. Since we are here, this is a normal text. What happened to the collapsible text? Just drag it up here. Okay, hidden. Okay, hi. Then right here, let me just write down hidden message. Okay, what's the difference between here and here? Like I said, unless someone click on this button, they will not be able to see all the text you write here. That's collapsible text. Okay, that's collapsible text. It will only be shown if someone click on here. Click on the drop down. If someone didn't click on the drop down, he or she will not be able to see this message, this text. Okay, now for that one, okay, let's say here, put a normal text after this. Okay, now I put video. Okay, I go with the heading. Okay, video, I go with heading. I go with heading, and then here I create another text box. Image, I choose heading. Okay, I choose heading, video, and then here, get a text box down there. It will be Google Drive. Title will be heading. So now I'm ready to create my table of content. Click on table of content. So if you can see, normal text will not appear on your table of content. That's the reason why I change it. You need to change it into heading to make it appear right here. So if it's normal text, it will not appear on your table of content. It will not read it as important. So that's why I made it as a heading. Okay, heading. If you wish to put it inside your table of content, you make it heading. Okay, or you make it a title. So as you can see, did you find the title will be more on the left, and then it will move the heading to the right. Okay, it will move, give space like this one. So this is the title, so this is the heading. So if someone go into your site, if they saw the table of content, let's say they want to go directly to the Google Drive, they might just click on the Google Drive and it will bring them straight to the Google Drive area, which is here. Okay, that's table of content. Remember, it must be heading. It cannot be normal text. Normal text will not appear. Next up, after table of content is image carousel. Image carousel. For image carousel, you will be needing at least minimum of 2 images. Okay, you will need minimum of 2 images. Okay, you will also have option to write down a text. Okay. Now let's do image carousel. Let's show you the difference between, this is the normal image. Okay. Okay, this one we insert using the image, single image. For image carousel, okay, I'm going to image carousel. Okay, I'm going to select image because I'm going to just use Google search. Okay, this is image carousel. You will see the different. Okay, let me just find rainbow again. Let's just go with this one. This one. Okay, I have 2 image. Let me just select more image. Okay, you just click on the image that you want. Let me just click on this image and this image. Okay. So let's say currently I have 5 images. Let's just insert. Okay, now I have 5 images. So if you want to add caption, you can do so just by click like here, add text. Let's say I put add caption. I will put red. Here, let me just add caption. I put blue. Okay, here I'm going to add caption, which is black. And these 2 image, I don't have any caption. Okay, so let's now insert the image carousel. Okay, for image carousel, you will see it's only I bring it up so that you will see the difference. Okay, let me just bring it to the center. All right. So now let me just preview it. Okay, this is for normal image, a single image. For image carousel, a user can just click on next, so it will move to the next image. That will become a gallery like this. Okay, it will become a gallery. For image carousel, it will become like a gallery for the person who watch it. So it's become like this. For those you have title, it will come out right here on the bottom part. On the bottom part. If you don't have any title, key in, it will just empty. But if you have title, it will come out on the bottom. Okay, that's for image carousel. Image carousel, so people just can go in next to see the images. Okay, that's for image carousel. Next up, button. Okay, next up, button. You can also key in, you also can create a button inside your Google site. Okay, just ensure that you have the link. Okay, you can create button. Now let's just create a button. Okay, now let's create a button. I'm going to create it on the top after this area. So now click button. Okay, name. So name for your button. Let's say name for my button education, and the link will be education. souls247.org/education. So this will be the link, and this will be the wording for my button. I click on insert. Okay, I click on insert. As you can see, the wording is education. Okay, the wording will be education. If you wish to edit, you can just click on edit button. You can edit the wording. Okay, and click update. And you can also play around. Either you want it to be filled. For example, this is filled. This is outline. Okay, so nothing inside, and text. Okay, and text. So if you go with text, people might not know that this is actually clickable because it's come out like this. So I always recommend for those who wish to use button features, either choose this one, either filled, so it will show like that, or you go with outline, so it will appear like this one. So let's go with filled. Let's go with preview. So now let's just find your button. So if you have, for example, you want to use a button for Facebook, for Instagram, okay, so you just create the button. So once people click on the button, it will bring that person to that particular page. Now let's say here, I have my, education button. So as you can see, if I bring my cursor here, the cursor will change to indicate that this area is clickable. So I just click on it. So it will open up a new tab, bring me to the link. Okay, bring me to the link. So here it will redirect me to the link that I just key in, which is solve247.org/education. Okay, so it will bring me to that link. That's a button. So next up is divider. Divider basically is just a straight line. That's it. Okay, divider is just a straight line. It's just maybe you want to differentiate between the first area and the second area, so you might want to use the divider, but there's nothing more. The divider is not clickable. There's nothing you can do. It's just a straight line. Okay, just a straight line. So let me just do that. So I'm going back to my Google site.
Hello, teacher.
Yes,
If a company want to use this Google site to publish their website, it is free or need to pay.
it is free. It is free.
Uh, then why many company use UX design or even other website design that need money, but not just Google site?
Okay, so I will say because Google site it's limited. Whatever in here is the only thing you can use. For other, I would say for other things you can add ons. You can add ons a lot of stuff, but for Google site is limited. Whatever here is the future. It is what it is. For example, even for the text, as you can see, we are Google site is limited. So this is the only option. You cannot change the font. If you wish to change the font, you need to change the theme, which will affect the entire page that you are creating. So it's, I will say, if this product, the only thing that can be used is inside here. You cannot have extension from outside application. So it's limited for whatever features in here, and it is free, totally free.
Okay, thank you, teacher.
Okay. Alright, so now let's just show you the divider part. Okay, let me just divide. Okay, let's say here after image, I'm going, why? Okay, I'm going to put divider. Okay. So here's, if you can, you will, yes, you can see there's a small line. Let me just do the same with the, after the video. Divider. Put right here. So now let me just preview it to you. Divider is not clickable at all. It's just a line. Okay. Like here. Did you see? That's a line. That's it. It just give you, if you want to give a better look for your Google site, for you to differentiate between part A and part B, you might want to use the divider, and the divider is just like a straight line. You cannot change it into horizontal. It will always be a vertical. Okay, so always like this. It will not become a straight line. It will always like this. Okay, that's for the divider. It's nothing much. It's just for you to differentiate between part A and part B. Okay, now we're going to learn how can we create a page and sub page. Okay, there's two things you can create. You can create a page and sub page. So previously we are in insert. Now we are going to pages. So if you click on the pages, as you can see right now, you are currently on your home page. Okay, this is your home page. This is your home page. If you want to create a new page, just click on the plus button. If you click on the plus button, they have give you two options, which is new link and also new page. So if you want to create a new page, just click on the new page. If you want to create a new link, just click on new link. Okay, if you click on the new link, I will show you later on, but let me just explain to you. For the new link, that you can also bring in your, let's say you have created three page for your for your site. Okay, you created three page. If you go to new link, you can choose your page. Okay, you can choose your page. So either page 1, page 2, page 3. So you can create new page or new link. So let's say here I'm creating a new page. So you just give it a name for the page and also click on done. This is like I said, if you're creating a new link, if you go with new link, so it will show you this site. It will show you like for example 3. If you already have 3, which is page 1, page 2, page 3, so your option in this site will come up page 1, page 2, page 3. Or you can also use the link outside. Okay, you can also use the link outside of your page. For example, later on I'm going to link it into source247.org/education. So you can also create it from here. So the option here will come out on the right side right here. I will show you later on. So people can just click on the right side of your Google site and just choose whatever page they want to go. Okay. Now for sub page, so you just choose any page that you created. You can create a sub page. Just click on the three dot menu and add sub page. Sub page is the same thing. You just give it a name and click done. Let me just show you for that site. So, okay. Here, go to pages, home. Okay, this is my home page. Now I'm going to create a new page. Okay, just bring your cursor there, click new page. I'm going to say page 2. Okay, done. Now, did you notice I have home? I have page 2. Previously, this thing doesn't exist. Now, since I already created more than one home page, so now I have page. So if I want to go home, I just click on home. If I click on page 2, it will bring me to page 2. I just create a new page. Now it's going to be page 3. So now I have home, I have page 2, I have page 3. Okay, home, page 2, page 3. Now let's go back to page 2 and I'm going to add a sub page. Okay, so I bring the cursor here until you see the 3 dot, click on the 3 dot, add sub page. Now I'm just going to put sub page right here. Okay, done. If you can notice the difference between a normal page and the sub page, the normal page will come out like this: home, page 2, page 3. If you create a sub page, it will have a drop down cursor right here, and then it will show you the list of the sub page. Now let's just create another sub page for this one. Sub page 2. Okay, now instead of page 2, I have sub page and sub page 2. If I bring my cursor here, I have option of sub page and sub page 2. So that is for page and sub page. Now let's create a new link. Okay, a new link. So what is the difference between page and new link? So now let's go to the new link. Okay, like I said, it will bring, you can also have option to bring it to link. Okay, the 3 dot, you just bring your cursor, and then the 3 dot will appear on the right side. Okay, just bring your cursor into the page that you want to create the sub page. You will notice there's a 3 dot appear. Okay, you will only see it after you bring your cursor. You don't have to click, you just bring your cursor, then only you will see the 3 dot. So now let's create a new link. So you can create a new link that will drag you back. Let's say I'm going to create a new link to sub page 2. Okay, name subpage 2. Done. Now you can see the new link will come out like this. Okay, the new link, it will come out like this. Alright, it will come out like this. It will not have pages for you to edit. Okay, for this part sub page, it will not have pages for you to edit because it works as if a link only. If you wish to edit it, you must edit from here. Sub page, page 2, okay, you must edit it from there. For the new link, you will not be able to edit. It will just come out like this. Okay, it will just come out like this. Sub page 2. And it doesn't, sorry. And you doesn't have to link it only for the file inside your Google site. You can also link it outside. I'm going to add a new link. The name it education, and link, I'm going to bring it to souls247.org education. Done. As you can see now, I have subpage and education. So when the viewer click on the education, they will have this notice. Okay, they will have this notice. The page you are trying to the page you are on is trying to send you to this link. Okay, so if that person want to proceed, they can just click on this link, or they can return to your site by clicking return to the previous page. So that's the difference between page and subpage. Okay, remember subpage will appear here, page will appear straight line, and then you have a link as well. Alright, okay, that's for today. That's the stuff I'm going to show you. That's the features. For tomorrow, I'm going to show you a lot more that you can use for your Google site. But for today, that's the only features that we are going to cover. If you have any questions, you can write down in the chat. I will go through with you. How the link, okay. How the link is created. May I know what link? What link are you referring to? So, okay, if anyone have any question at all, feel free to drop your question. The Google link. The Google link, do you mean the Google link for sorry, I'm so sorry. The class will be on Friday because tomorrow I will have applied digital skills class. Okay, well, my webinar will be continued on Friday. Yep, for the Friday, I'm going to run with you the other function. Okay. The link is created. The Google link. The Google link for. I'm so sorry. The Google link. Do you mean the Google link for this this site? Yes, this video will be on YouTube. A function of Google site. So can work as your website and also archive, because you have option either to share your site or not. So you can also work as your diary, as your blog. Okay, again, because you have the option either to share the site, to publish your site, to make available for public, or just to keep it yourself. And you also can add collaborators. Yes, you can create your personal blog using this Google site, no problem at all. You can create your blog. Tomorrow, I will be running my Applied Digital Skill class, which is at 3 o'clock. For this class, I'm going to continue on Friday. Yes, the Google link for this site. Okay, if you want to, okay, the Google link for this site will only available after you publish your site. Just go here. Okay, the link will only available after you publish your site. Just go to publish. Okay, you're ready. Your link will only appear after you're ready to publish your site. Okay, so now here is my site. So it's showing me my drive. Okay, showing me whatever it's currently being published, and click on publish. Okay. Remember, your site will the URL will created only after you share it. So now here share with others. Okay. Here, if you share with others, you can invite people to join, not to edit it. Okay, to edit your site, and then you will also have option to allow people to view. Okay, this is if you send email. Okay, this is without URL. Okay, you can go to here. This is without URL if you want to share it. Yeah, publish setting. So here, if you go to publish setting, beside publish, ensure that you already publish your site. Okay, here publish option, publish settings. This is the URL. This is the URL you want to share with others. Okay. Oops, sorry. This is the URL you want to share with the others. Any other question that I can help you with? So for the features that I didn't cover today, it will be covered on the next upcoming class, which is on Friday. Before publish, okay, you can edit only the end of the URL. Okay, site.google.com will be there. Okay, site.google.com will be there, so you can only edit the ending. So okay, this ending, you can make it, okay, you can make it unique. But the in front site.google.com will be there. You can change the ending. You can create your own, and then after make the changing, you just click on save. Okay, you click on save, and then you can share. You can share it with others. Just ensure if you make changes to your URL, and then inform your viewer previously that you already changed, you are upgrading your URL, because later on if people try to go in, they will not be able to go in into your site. Just ensure that you inform others. Alright, does everybody okay and clear? So yeah, I will suggest you to try it out, and then because on Friday we're going to cover the other features, and if there is still any concern, you can just let me know. We will try to figure it out. Okay, since there is no question, so I hope everybody can understand. Yep. Again, if you have any other product that you wish to learn, you can just go to our website soul247.org/education to find out more. And also for your information, we are running a special editions of webinar, which is Edisi Raya Online. Okay, so we have three courses that we want to offer for the Hari Raya edition, which is the first one, how can you do shopping online shopping, but this is using filter. So how can it will make your shopping a lot easier. And she also going to show you how to do sharing of compilations of recipe. And then the second one is by Farah. How can you wish Selamat Hari Raya using e-card? And my class will show you how can you conduct a Hari Raya using a Google Meet. So this is our special edition for Hari Raya, which is on the 20th, 21st, and also 27th of May. So let's say this one I already published. Okay, I already published, so it's available for public. Okay, now it's available for public. So let's say I wish to take it back. Okay, take it back. Sorry, wrong button. Here, did you see unpublished? Okay, here you will see the option unpublished. Okay, and then you just got it. If you if your site is unpublished, you will not have the drop down button. How to know that your site is published or unpublished? For unpublished site, you will not have the drop down button. Okay, For published site, you will have the drop down button. For unpublished site, you will not that option for the drop down button. To delete your site, you just go straight from your Google Doc and just delete it from there. Okay? To delete a Google site, just go straight from your drive and then just delete the file straight from your Google Drive. If you want to unpublish, that's how you do it. Drop down, unpublish.